Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my vlog. It's related to my visit to a park that opened recently in the nearby vicinity. I really think one should go out and spend some time with nature. चाहे walk करें ना करें, but you should stay there for some time and connect yourself with nature. मैंने सोचा अब हम आ ही गए हैं तो इस पार्क को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. Then I found there's a mini cafe for you to have some snacks. Then there's a futsal to play, as you can see. Something very fascinating about it was there was an exercising area. आपको जिम जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This park is providing all in one. फिर basketball court था and jogging walking track is so good. There was a play area for children to play and enjoy. So this was it. Bye bye.